Processor, 13th generation Intel Core i9-13980HX up to 5.6 GHz operating system, preloaded Windows 11 Home with lifetime validity vertical bar pre-installed software, MSI Center, in the box, laptop, power adapter, laptop bag, M99 gaming mouse, dual drive 128 GB, MSI Lucky Figure keychain. Display, 44 cm UHD, 3840 by 2160, 144 Hz, mini LED with local dimming, HDR 1000, 100% DCI-P3, IPS-Level panel, memory and storage, 32 GB x2 DDR5 dual-channel RAM, storage, 2 TB x2 NVMe Gen 4x4 SSD. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090, GDDR6 16 GB, Killer GB LAN, up to 2.5G, Killer AX Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth V5.3, gaming laptop weight, 3.3 kg, keyboard, Cherry mechanical per key RGB gaming keyboard by Steel Series, camera, IR HD type, 30 fps at 720p, microphone, built-in microphone. 1X Type-C, USB/DP, Thunderbolt 4, with PD charging 1X Type-C, USB/DP, Thunderbolt 4, 3X Type-A USB 3.2 Gen 2 1X SD Express card reader 1X HDMI 2.1, 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, 1X mini DisplayPort 1X RJ45. This genuine MSI laptop comes with 2-year carry-in and on-site warranty from MSI covering manufacturing defects and not covering physical damage, burn, liquid damage,